Homemade. You have to slide it out, but in order to open it, you need a magnet. Slides out. Keep your guns, jewelry, paperwork, whatever you need. Comes in handy. Locks up pretty good. You can't even tell. Right at the compartment.